All right, so this is the ITB, the iShares US Home Construction ETF. This did exactly what you wanted to do. Again, you can go back. I really helped everyone see how this low formed. I want you to really analyze the action because there is so much edge in how these lows form when you use cycle analysis. If you don't, it gets harder. But when you do, you can plan for these things, just like what I've highlighted for you. I've been highlighting this for the past, you know, um, 15 days that this was a sector that you want to be watching because it was right there. And I want you to see what we saw, right? First off, this is a 20, I'm sorry, a 33 bar cycle bracket, consistent, right? That's why we are drawing it where we have. Then there was a trough that was due 10.6 to about 12.8. Now, this is the only chart I'm going to show you on the daily because I want you to see the price action, right? This is a 27 bar. Again, all of them have just really widened ever so slightly by only about 1 bar. That's why I'm saying don't overly focus on that. Focus on what kind of action should you see based on the overall cycle phasing that you're looking at. And right now, this one turned down, got that rally right there, and then look at and study this. Study this as much as you can. This, and especially late, back on 11.17 right here, I said this is exactly what you want to see prior to a low forming, a washout move into the trough, right? A little bit of a 1, 2, 3 down into the trough, and then you had these two equal bars, trigger move right there to trade back into that clear spike, okay? And then a whole day right here. This was your opportunity to be involved if you wanted, and now we're off to the races here on the short term. Again, this is the only chart I'm going to show you on the short term, but I want you to really analyze this, learn how this works because there's so much value here. There is so much to be gained if you really understand how cycle lows form. On the intermediate term, a low here that was due. We are watching for this to turn up. That's really what I want you to see, how these lows have formed, right? Kind of a ski slope down, finally formed a low, and then you got the move back up.